In this video, we'll show you 5 tips and tricks to help you Google more efficiently. Use quotes for exact matches. A general search will bring up keywords related to your search. However, if there is a specific term or phrase you want to search, just add quotes around the text and Google will look for that exact match. Use asterisks as a placeholder. This is one of our favorite uses to identify songs. You hear part of the lyrics but didn't catch the whole chorus? Not to worry. Just use some asterisks to fill in the blanks. Shortcut searches. Instead of typing out a whole search query, you can look up things like the time by simply typing the place followed by the word time. Works with weather too. Simply input weather and your zip code. Do math. Make easy work of math problems with Google. Want to see how much you'll save with that 25% off sale? Simply type the percent off, then the word of, and then the total cost. Whenever you use this function, it will also automatically bring up the online calculator for use. Do conversions. Get easy conversions for money by simply inputting one currency, then the word to, and now the other currency. Works with other units and measurements too, like converting ounces to cups or meters to feet. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.